In the realm of mathematics, the Fibonacci sequence is an enigmatic pattern where each number is the sum of the two preceding numbers. Starting with 0 and 1, the sequence unfolds 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34. Intriguingly, this sequence permeates the natural world, manifesting in diverse forms. From the arrangement of spirals in seashells to the branching patterns of trees, the Fibonacci sequence's presence is evident. In the spirals of sunflowers and pinecones, the number of spirals turns to the right and left often follows Fibonacci numbers. This geometric harmony ensures efficient seed distribution and sunlight absorption. The staghorn fern exhibits a fascinating leaf structure that embodies the Fibonacci sequence. Its fronds branch out from the main stem in a pattern that mimics the Fibonacci sequence. This architectural design optimizes photosynthesis and ensures efficient growth. Even in the realm of living creatures, we find the Fibonacci sequence etched into their anatomy. The arrangement of florets on a cauliflower follows the sequence, as does the number of petals on many flowers. The beauty and functionality of the Fibonacci sequence in nature underscore the interconnectedness of mathematics and the natural world. It serves as a testament to the underlying order and harmony that govern our universe, inviting us to appreciate the mathematical elegance that permeates all of creation.